Hello, thank you for joining our webinar. I'm Andrea and I will be your guide during this short time, aiming to show you the advantages of using Certisoft by Régens, the perfect software solution for supporting the procedures for interoperability of the rail system. I'll shortly introduce the software with practical examples for solving typical issues during the assessment procedures. And I will provide you access to Certisoft DEMO so you can see for yourself how Certisoft can easen up your everyday work. For questions, feel free to use the chat on our website and one of our colleagues will answer you right away. Let's start. I will shortly introduce Certisoft, its main features, and talk about the advantages this software solution can bring to your company. We will check the exact assessment procedure as well in Certisoft, how you can set up an assessment project, assign the roles and tasks in the project, and find the relevant standards and manuals for the assessment in the document store. At the end of the webinar, we will talk about the service plans Régens provides, and I will show you how you can request a free demo access to Certisoft. Let's start with the first one. So, what is Certisoft? Certisoft is a software developed by Régens. It aims to support the procedures for assessment of conformity and for interoperability of the rail system adopted under the shown directive. It provides a secure and easy-to-use platform that guides the so-called notified bodies to approach technical harmonization and standardization stated in the EU standards. It's an online portal which can be used both by our clients and experts to manage the whole evaluation certification process. Messages, documents, decision support, everything in one place. Why is it worth choosing Certisoft? Certisoft is mainly an online portal solution that provides opportunity for your clients and yourself to manage your assessment project online. With Certisoft, you may provide modern e-services for your clients, thus improving your market position. Your clients can keep track of the status of their certification, complete assigned rectifications, and have all the related project information accessible online using a browser. In Certisoft, your project documents are automatically filed and time-stamped, so there is no doubt that only the latest and valid information is used during the assessment. When issuing a certification, you can historically prove the whole assessment process and the documents used for that given assessment. The searchable database guarantees that every standard rule, manual, or form is easy to find with the use of automated and manually manageable filters as well. With the help of responsive user interfaces, you and your experts have the opportunity to use Certisoft via mobile devices. This way, on-site verifications are as easy as pressing a button. For example, photo evidences can be uploaded right to Certisoft on the spot. Besides, Certisoft as an online application provides a service that is accessible regardless of place. This way, you can have experts from the other side of the world as well. Certisoft supports the parallel online work of your experts, and your clients can also check the status of their assessment project and complete rectifications easily online. Certisoft is developed to always meet standards related to the assessment of conformity and interoperability of the rail system. The application provides features that provide a possibility to give your experts access to standards they have to comply with during their assessment work, always accessing only the latest and relevant standards. High-level security is guaranteed through sensitive user permissions, secure communication workflows, logged user activity, and irreversible history. Security that meets the standards of assessment based on sensitive and highly important information. So, how does the assessment look like in Certisoft? First of all, your clients have the opportunity to send all the needed documents for the assessment electronically and submit an online application form right from your website. This application form with all the attachments is received and processed by Certisoft automatically. The application form is filed with a timestamp and all the related users, your experts, in Certisoft are notified that there is a new application submitted. Your experts can begin the assessment project by starting the case in Certisoft with an easy-to-use select. You need to select the case number and all the information is filled automatically. The profile of the case has to be finalized to eventually start the project. To make sure that the project team is set, you may add all the experts you want to be involved in the assessment. The applicant's documents are available for the experts assigned to the project. They can easily assess them and decide whether the submitted documentation is approved or denied with conditions. In the second case, a new rectification may be issued for the applicant. Experts can upload their finalized working materials to Certisoft, thus making sure that all the information is accessible for the project team about this assessment project. Rectification can be issued by your administrator by clicking the rectification button on the Documents menu. A rectification includes a message for the client that explains what kind of extra information is needed or what document must be corrected. Anonymity is very important when it comes to assessment projects. Objectivity and impartiality of conformity assessment must be guaranteed, so in Certisoft all communication is realized by using the platform itself. The sender is always the Certisoft team, so the client cannot tell the exact names of the experts who are working on the assessment. Certisoft has an easy-to-search document store that provides all the needed documents for the experts, be it manuals, standards, application forms, and so on. Let's see these features in motion. The application form is an easy-to-empty solution for your website that has all the required information as mandatory fields. This way, the client provides all the documents and info that is required by law. In certain pricing packages, the application form may be customized in order to meet any individual business needs of yours. In Certisoft, your admin user may find all the submitted applications under the Applications menu. By selecting one of the applications, the new case starting process opens up automatically. Most of the fields are automatically filled by the known client-submitted information. You only have to set the chosen applied module of the assessment, the expected deadline of the project, and select the experts who should work on the project. By pressing the New Document button, the experts can upload their project documents easily on the projects page. Each document may have several attachments and a comment that is for the other project team members to read. When all working material is uploaded, the leading expert has the opportunity to express the team's decision about the acceptance of documents submitted by the client. Each document's status can be set approved or denied. A rectification can be issued by your administrator by clicking the rectification button on the Documents menu. A rectification includes a message for the client that explains what kind of extra information is needed or what document must be corrected. The administrator sets the deadline for the rectification and always attaches the rectification report. The client receives an email notification about the rectification issued. As I mentioned it before, all communication with the client is realized through the Certisoft platform in order to guarantee objectivity and impartiality of conformity assessment. New messages can be sent for the client by using the Messages menu on a project's page and clicking the Send button. For each message, we can attach files as well. The sent message appears in the Messages menu, and the client can reply to these messages using the same menu after logging into Certisoft. In the Documents store, all your experts can find and filter the relevant manuals, forms, standards that are specifically related to the assessment project they are involved in. With the right user roles and permissions, every expert can only access the documents he or she is absolutely using. No useless information, just what you need, and all of that is easy to find. Next, let's check out the pricing plans. For Certisoft, we provide 3 service packages: Basic, Pro, and Master. The 3 packages differ in user number, the capacity of storing information and documents, and how customizable Certisoft is and what level of support your team receives from our expert colleagues. If any of the packages is in your interest, feel free to contact me about the details of the order process. Last but not least, as I promised, I will show you how you can try out Certisoft free. For a demo access, just visit www.regenseurope.com/Certisoft and find the demo subscription form to submit your email address. After subscribing, we will contact you with the access information via email. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for your time and attention, and I hope that we can see you soon on the list of Certisoft demo requests. Have a nice day, and if you have any questions, just let me know. Bye bye!